Dry fishing fam here at Mojave Narrows today. It's kind of a little windy. You're in the kayak trying to catch anything that might bite. I'm gonna go out into the middle where I usually can't go. Actually never been over there, so I'm gonna paddle out there now. It's a pretty nice view though, all the way around. Never thought I'd be out here though. See if there's anything out here. See if we can get a little bite, little crappie, little bluegill. I'm gonna go check a couple more spots. Yep, that was a lot of seaweed. This is nice. Come on, baby. It's a cat, guys. It's a small one though. He saw me. Saw me coming. Here he comes. Ooh. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Woo! Come on, baby. Ooh. Come on, baby. That's not bad. Oh! Oh! Woo! Yes! Let's go! Woo! Come on! Let's go! All right, fam. We're headed back in. That was it. That was my session today. I have to go weigh in, so we'll see what happens. I just got one lucky bite, I guess, but I went all the way around the whole lake. I kayaked and then just found one. Somehow found one right at the end. Most definitely gonna be back out here. I hope you guys get a chance to come out here. It's so beautiful. I didn't even see anyone like on shore either. So y'all have a wonderful day. But let's head back in and see if we can get anything to bite on a slow paddle. 30, let's go. It's okay. I just wanted to weigh in for my daughter. Could you scale me out or? Okay.
What was your name?
Nathan. It's real time for all my followers out there. It's got a big head. My buddy said the heads count, so we're gonna see how it goes. What's up, boss?
Good day?
Just one.
4?
I don't know. I didn't even I have my eyes closed because I was like trying to get, you know what I mean? Closest to what they said, what he was sharing earlier.
Who's leading it?
I don't know. He said like 3.5.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, and then, well, at this park.
Where's the biggest one at right now?
I'm not sure, my boy. It's probably in the 6. But, hey, to come out and, you know what I mean? It's having a good day.
Nice one. That's already teared up.
Okay. 308. Oh, nice.
Close. A lot of them get blind if they don't come back in.
What happened, my bro?
I said a lot of people get blind if they don't come back in.
They don't come back in?
No fish, they don't come back.
Yeah, I got you.